Hey everyone! Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to build a forum app with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from scratch, and all in just 5 minutes. First, we'll start off by creating the HTML structure for our page using the basic HTML tags. This will provide us with a basic layout for our forum. We'll then add some styling with CSS to make it look more attractive and give it some basic functionality. Next, we'll add in our JavaScript code to give the forum new functions such as a voting system, content filter, and user authentication. To finish off, we'll tie everything together and make sure our forum app works properly. If you've ever wanted to learn the basics of coding your own forums, this is the perfect place to start. So let's get to it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have created your own basic forum app with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it will only take you 5 minutes, so let's get started.